Let me ask you something. If I told you that you could open your laptop, use tools that cost you $0, and make $10,000 in just 30 days, would you think I'm lying? If your answer is yes, stay exactly where you are, because this might make you rethink everything you believe about earning money online. And no, this is not one of those videos where I tell you to just manifest money. If manifesting worked, trust me, I'd have a pet tiger by now. What I'm about to share is the exact 30-day journey I went through, starting from a place of anxiety and not enough, to discovering free AI tools that flip the script completely. Point 2, the problem. Starting point. 31 days before the 10,000 hit my account, I was stuck. Not technically broke, but close enough that the stress was loud. Bills felt heavy. Opportunities felt small. That quiet panic in the chest, the kind that keeps you awake and scrolling at 2 a.m. If you felt it, you know the exact sound. Point 3, discovery, the idea. Then, on a random Tuesday night, something changed. I was scrolling a forum and someone casually mentioned using free AI tools to do paid work. At first, I laughed because if AI could make money for me, why was I still microwaving noodles at 2 a.m.? Quick joke. If AI could cook, I'd outsource my meals too. But the idea stuck. Free tools, low barrier. I realized there are thousands of people who need content, designs, and quick deliverables, and they'll pay for it. Point 4, the first step, small experiment. I decided to run an experiment. Small offers, fast turnarounds. Zero software cost one experiment turned into a system. One system turned into $10,000. The first tool I used was a free AI writing assistant. Nothing magical, but fast. I started offering simple services. Scripts, descriptions, captions. They sell. People pay. AI helped me deliver at scale. And the funny part? The AI typed faster than I typed my own name. Point 5, expanding services with AI design tools. Next, I added AI design tools, thumbnails, mini ebooks, presentation slides. Suddenly, I wasn't selling one service. I was selling a bundle of small wins. Orders that used to trickle in became a steady stream. At one point, my phone buzzed so much I thought it was broken. Spoiler, it was not broken. It was pay notifications. Point 6, automation, scaling up. Then I did the thing most creators skip. I automated. Free AI workflow tools handled first drafts, captions, formatting, and templated client replies. This freed my time to take on higher value work. Automation is the difference between a side hustle and a real business. Once automation was in place, growth accelerated. Point 7, creating a clear offer ticket, bundling services. I packaged everything into a simple AI-assisted content bundle, not a guru package. Simple system that bundled writing plus design, plus basic automation. People loved it because it solved multiple problems at once. That's when income spiked. Point 8, key lessons learned. Here's what I learned, plain and simple. The tools are free. The opportunity is real. The only barrier is action. Consistency beats talent. Speed beats perfection. AI is not magic. It's leverage. Hidden shift most people miss, mindset. Using AI changed how I recognize opportunity. You don't need permission. You don't need expensive software. You don't need years of experience. You need one decision to start. Point 9, 7-step roadmap. Here's the simplified roadmap I followed. 7 steps you can apply today. 1, pick one skill AI can help with. Writing, design, short-form video scripts. 2, use free tools to produce fast, good output. Don't chase perfection on the first run. 3, offer simple services first. Low price, high value, quick turnaround. 4, over-deliver. Small extra touches build trust and referrals. 5, package your services so clients buy more at once. Bundles increase average order value. 6, scale with automation, templates, canned replies, batch production. 7, Repeat and compound. Each cycle should be faster and bring in more revenue. Point 10, 30-day action breakdown day 1 to 7. Validation. Tested the market with 2 low-priced gigs, script plus thumbnail pack, posted on 3 platforms. Day 8 to 14. Delivery and feedback. Used AI writers for first drafts, design tools for visuals, collected client feedback. Day 15 to 21. Packaging. Combined most requested items into one package. Script plus thumbnail plus 5 captions. Day 22 to 29. Scale and automate, templates, canned messages, batch production. Day 30, results. Multiple clients, mid-tier packages, recurring retainers. Revenue crossed $10,000. Point 11, tactical tips for success. Tip 1, clarity beats cleverness. Make your offer obvious. Tip 2, speed wins. Deliver faster than competitors. Tip 3, over-communicate. Quick updates reduce revisions. Tip 4, price for value. Bundles increase average order value. Tip 5, reinvest early. Even a small investment pays back fast. Point 12, mindset moves, advice, embrace imperfection. Launch fast, learn fast. Be relentless about outreach. Half my clients came from DMs and niche boards. Protect your time. Automate repetitive tasks. Focus on creative, high-value work. Point 13, quick 24-hour action plan. Hour 1, pick your skill and list 3 concrete offers. Hour 2, sign up for 2 free AI tools, writing plus design. Hour 3 to 6, create 1 example deliverable. Hour 7, post the offer on 2 platforms, send 10 DMs. Hour 8 to 24, deliver first paid job, get feedback, refine. Point 14, reality check, motivation. Success didn't come overnight. It came from repeated small bets, consistent outreach, and learning from each client. Fear is normal. Use it. Let it push you to move. Excitement is powerful. Channel it into 1 small, measurable task today. The tools are free. The opportunity is here. Your first step is the hardest, but the most important. Start small. Move fast. Use AI as leverage, not a crutch. See results, then scale. Your story starts now.